Hi, good morning. This is Tim here, bad at doing outros, but good at doing intros. It's day 4 in Orlando, Thursday. Well, technically day 3, because we were in Orlando since Tuesday. But I digress. So today, it's Disney World time. Not no stupid ass Epcot looking around at art and stuff. Actual rides. And look at my breakfast this morning. So I got a bagel and cream cheese, but we ain't got no plates. So this is the situation here. Making it work. Everyone knows the best part of Disney is the tram. Can't do Disney without the tram.
Yep.
That was a pretty cozy tram ride. Basically knees to knees with our neighbors. Apparently, you have to take a ferry to Disney World because it's on an island. So, Disney World's got a lot more exclusive. We made it. And I'm over it. Why? Be brighter. There we go. This is what you call farming. When the ride stops and you happen to be in front of the only... You can what?
I think you can see some of the spiders.
Oh, maybe? I don't know. I win! Right now, spinning the teacup one-handed because Mom doesn't feel like participating.
I was doing it 2 hands before.
Well, I just remembered why I don't do teacups. Yeah.
Okay, do one elephant at your boarding pass. You're going to share the seatbelt. We'll collect that once you're in your seat.
Oh, okay.
Right, thanks, man.
Let me go this way. Oh God, my hands are above the camera. So real on the Speedway ride. First of all, that ride is not for big people.
Yeah, my knees.
Daddy Longlegs ain't gonna fit in that car. He's gonna be crooked up. But right now we're headed back to the hotel because it's really hot.
Shake Shack.
Shake Shack, not right now.
I know.
But yeah, we're gonna hit up Shake Shack. And if you don't know what Shake Shack is, it's kind of like the East Coast In-N-Out. actually inclement weather, meaning there's going to be thunderstorms later today. They stopped the ride, and we were the last ones on. Listen, folks, it's raining right now.
Okay, over here.
All right. Alright guys, we are now at the local mall in Orlando. We left Disney World. We're going to go back for the fireworks later tonight. But we had to try Shake Shack. More on that in a minute. Orlando and not have Disney gifts. Oh, they have beer here. That's cool.
If you need to go anywhere, you better Uber it, because I'm going to sit at the
So my mom got the brownie batter shake with the bacon cheeseburger essentially, and I got a chicken sandwich with bacon cheese fries. And you know, compared to In-N-Out, they do a cheese sauce, not the freaking American cheese on top. So I'm really interested in that. In terms of price, it's a little expensive, but we'll go for it. But the tax though, it's way less than California. Just got done with Shake Shack. It was all right. I mean, the cheesy bacon fries weren't awesome. Cheese sauce is, shake is good. I literally asked her, what's better, In-N-Out or Shake Shack? And the shakes from Shake Shack are amazing. But yeah, would I eat it again? Maybe. It's kind of expensive, but we'll see. Just went up to the hotel room to get my shoes back on because I ain't walking around Disney World in sandals. And now we're headed back to Disney World to go watch the fireworks and get some dessert. Making a late night run to the grocery store because we don't have any creamer for our coffee, and I don't fuck with that.